This guy made $73 million from PP, the meme coin. This dude made $6 million from Peanut, the squirrel token, and today I'm gonna try to do the same thing. But instead of just throwing my money in the random coins and hoping I don't get rug pulled on something like
Nigga Bob,
I'll be using a deliberate strategy that has made me loads of money in the past. It's betting on the news. Every day new tokens are launched based on current events, and if you can buy that token soon after the news drops, you are almost guaranteed to make profit. Like, I knew Trump will win the election, so I doubled my money betting on him. I saw the Super Bowl script, so I doubled my money on that. And logically, if I buy meme coins based on current events soon after they happen, I have a high chance of doubling, tripling, or even 100xing my money. So I'm gonna monitor trending topics on Twitter, then let y'all know once I find a banger play. Yo, Hawk2a girl just released her crypto coin and it rug pulled from $500 million to $50 million in 20 minutes. That's insane. If you bought that, I'm not gonna lie, you're an idiot. But I think it is a great opportunity to get into some meme coin about this incident. And I'll let y'all know when I enter. I just found straight to a jail coin, which is a fire pun, so I put $100 into it. And since this news is super new, like less than an hour, I'm gonna go to sleep and hopefully sell this for a 5x profit tomorrow morning. Yo, I just woke up and we richer, baby. I sold this straight to a jail token for a 2.5x, which was an easy 100 to 240 bucks. That's a great start, but it's like Kobe says,
Job's not finished.
it's possible to make a mill from these, so I want to make a mill. So time to go gym, then lock in the Twitter and find a 100x. Let's get it. Alright, I've been working and checking Twitter all day, but I didn't find anything until now. OG Fortnite drops tomorrow, so I checked if there's any tokens related to it, and I found one. It's already up 4x today, hence it may be too late to enter, but I'm gonna throw $100 from my profits into it and see if it pumps tomorrow when it's released. This way I can't lose money because I'm trading with profits, which is the smartest way to trade meme coins. Don't be stupid and lose your life savings like this guy did on Hawk2a. Only invest money you can afford to lose. And for meme coins, I'd take that a step further and say only trade meme coins with profits you've made from trading real assets. Like if you doubled your money on Cornstar coin, send half of it back to your bank account so your initial investment is safe, then you can gamble with the rest on memes that may 100x. Well, the OG Fortnite play didn't 100x, but it is worth $130 now, so I'm gonna sell it for a small 30% profit. Looking back, that risk to reward ratio definitely wasn't worth it, so I shouldn't have entered that play, but at least I didn't lose money. Yo, I haven't traded in 2 days, but some major news about the United Healthcare shooter just came out, and the coin Luigi has already done over 100x. It's too late to enter that one, but I'm looking for a derivative now to enter ASAP. There we go, I just found Ticker Hero and I put $500 into it. I doubt it'll pump as much as Luigi has, but since that did a 100x, this has a chance to maybe 10x. It's worth $600 now, $800, $1,500. That's a 3x in 30 minutes. I'm selling right now. There we go, baby. $500 to $1,500 in 30 minutes. This is too much fun, man. I think I should make this a series where I try to take 10K to $1 million during this bull run. If y'all want to see that, like the video and comment below, plus hit the subscribe button because I'm literally only 1,000 people away from hitting my goal of 250K subscribers. And the current profit total from this challenge is $1,170 in less than a week. My conclusion is trading meme coins based on the news is much more profitable than buying random hype coins, but I need to make a lot more trades to see how profitable they can truly be. So I'll see y'all in part 2, which you can watch by clicking right here once I post it. Thanks for watching and God bless.